Hello, my little stars. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time with me, Miss Lily, and my wonderful student, Leo. Today's episode is called My Family and Me, and we're going to talk about one of the most special things in the world, our families. So sit back, smile, and let's learn together. Good morning, Leo. How are you today, my little sunshine?
Good morning, Miss Lily. I'm super happy. Today, I get to talk about my family.
Oh, that's wonderful. Family is such a beautiful thing. So, tell me, Leo, who is in your family?
In my family, there's my mom, my dad, my sister, and my grandparents. Oh, and my little dog, Max.
That's such a lovely family, Leo. Let's help our friends listening learn how to say these words in English, shall we? Repeat after me, kids. Mom.
Mom.
Great. Mom means mamai. Now repeat. Dad.
Dad.
Perfect. Dad means papai. Easy, right?
Very easy, Miss Lily.
Now let's learn sister. That's irma.
Sister. I have one sister. Her name is Lucy.
That's beautiful, Leo. And what about brother? That means irmão.
I don't have a brother, but I wish I had one to play soccer with.
Aw, maybe one day, Leo. But for now, you have your sister, and that's wonderful. Now, let's talk about grandparents. That's grandma and grandpa.
Grandma and Grandpa. I love my grandma's cookies.
I bet they're delicious. Grandma means vovô, and grandpa means vovo.
My grandpa tells funny stories. He always says, "When I was your age," and then he laughs.
That's what grandpas do best. Tell stories and make us smile. Now, kids listening at home, can you say these words with us? Let's practice together. Mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa. Excellent! You sound amazing.
Miss Lily, can we play a little game?
Of course, Leo. What do you have in mind?
Let's play Who Am I? You give clues about a family member, and I guess who it is.
That's a brilliant idea. Okay, here we go. I cook yummy food and give warm hugs. Who am I?
That's easy. You are Mom.
Correct. Ding!
Your turn. Okay. I tell stories, I drive the car, and I fix things in the house. Who am I?
Oh, I know. Dad.
Yes! Ding, ding.
Let's do one more. I have gray hair, I love to bake cookies, and I always say, "Eat more, my dear."
Ha ha! That's Grandma.
Exactly. You're so good at this, Leo. Kids, you can play this game at home too. Ask your mom or dad to describe someone in your family and guess who it is all in English.
Miss Lily, can we make a sentence together?
Absolutely, Leo. Let's try.
This is my mom. She is kind.
Wonderful. Let's make another one. This is my dad. He is strong.
This is my grandma. She makes cookies.
Perfect sentence, Leo. Families are full of love, laughter, and care. It doesn't matter how big or small your family is. What matters is the love inside.
I love my family so much, Miss Lily. They make me happy every day.
And that's the most important thing of all, Leo. Remember, love is the heart of every family. Let's say our new words one last time before we go, little stars.
Mom, Dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa.
Beautiful. You're all speaking English like shining stars.
Thank you, Miss Lily. This was my favorite episode ever.
Aw, thank you, Leo. And thank you to all the kids listening today. Don't forget to practice your new family words at home. Maybe even teach them to your parents. This was Tiny Talk Time, where learning English is fun, magical, and full of love. Until next time.
Bye-bye, friends.
Bye, my little stars. Keep shining and keep speaking English every day.